with the grace of the cross. With the blood of a lamb in the Old Testament, I went to the altar with my sin. Inject yourself into the cross of our Lord. I'm shedding tears at the love you've achieved. I live by the grace of the cross. Jesus' ability to repair blood will give you new strength. Be bold in front of the throne of grace. I'll leave my life to the Lord again today. The Lord's love is forever, because it doesn't change. The Lord is the same even after 1,000 years of evangelism. The love you've had for the past, present, and future, I praise Jesus for His grace. That wave by the sea is coming today as well. It'll come back 1,000 years ago, and then it'll come back again. Our lives are shaky, but the Lord knows. The faithful Lord who has prepared all paths. Even if it's hard to forgive, I'm going to the Lord. Hold on to your broken heart and wipe away your tears. Let us live with love above justice. Let Him resemble the grace of the cross. Jesus, who has achieved it all, I praise you forever before the throne of grace, day after day. You've achieved it all. You've achieved it all. With the love of the cross, you saved me. 구약에는 어린 양의 피를 들고서 죄를 안고 제단 앞에 나아갔지만, 우리 주님 십자가에 몸을 내어주사 다 이루신 그 사랑에 눈물 릅니다. 십자가 은혜로 나는 살아갑니다. 예수 보혈 능력으로 새 힘 얻습니다. 은혜의 보좌 앞에 담대하게 나가, 오늘도 내 삶을 주께 맡겨